Hello, my name is Eric White. Today we're going to talk about how to make address labels on a PC. So maybe you started a new business and you've got 1,000 customers and you need to send them some kind of a mailing or maybe some packages, or perhaps you have an abnormally large family and you need to send stuff to them as well. Well, address labels are the way to go. You're really going to save yourself a little bit of pain in writing everything down. So what you want to do is open up Microsoft Word, click on the Office button, click on New. Right now we're in the templates. Now I went ahead and I found some shipping labels here, but let's say you don't like these. You can go up here in the search bar, provided you're connected to the internet, and put in address labels. Hit enter. Microsoft Office connects to the website and gives you a total list of all the address labels. So we're going to go ahead and pick this one on the left here. Now the important thing to note here is in the description it gives you the Avery label number. So what you can do is you can go to any place Avery products are sold and buy these labels, and then come back and you put those in your printer and then you can print your labels out. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one, the 5164. It downloads it, installs it, and here we have some address labels. From this point, all you have to do is fill them out and print them out.